Welcome back to my channel. This is Kay from Solo Record. Today we are going to explore the world of vintage audio technology. This is a cassette player. Before the era of smartphone and the music streaming, portable cassette player is a device for music on the go. What I'm holding is a Walkman cassette player. In 1980, the Walkman is an iconic symbol of personal audio technology. It is a portable device that allows individuals to enjoy their music anywhere and anytime. The popularity of the Walkman started to decline as a newer technology emerged and the customer preferences shifted, and the CD player became a preferred choice of the portable music player. But there is a lot of people still have the cassette. For the people enthusiasts in preserving their cassette music collection, there is a new device available called the USB Cassette Capture. Now I will be unboxing the USB Cassette Capture. This handy device will allow you to convert your cherished cassette music collection into digital format. It can also use to playback music, so you can listen directly from this device. Let's take a closer look to what's inside the box. The first one will be the manual book, instruction to how to use the device, and what computer program to use. This device powered by the USB-A to USB Mini B. They give you the wire earphone inside the package. This is the USB Cassette Capture device. The device itself is a compact and lightweight. The backside is quite simple. In this side you can see several port and volume control. In this side you can see the control panel. Let's open the cassette slot. This is what it looks like inside the cassette slot. Now I will carefully insert one of my favorite cassette tapes. It is easy to insert and remove the cassette. They're using the Audacity program to play the music and record it. There are a few things you need to adjust before you can use it. First, you need to change the recording device into the USB audio device. Then put the recording channel into stereo. The last thing to do is to tick the checkbox of the software playthrough of input. After that, you are good to go. You just need to press the record button in the software and a play button in the USB cassette capture, and the music will be played and recorded. This is the record result. This is for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.